Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dearborn County, northern Boone County, Hamilton County, southeastern Butler County until 12:45 a.m. At 12:11 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Harrison to Blue James near Lawrenceburg, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Hamilton, Middletown, Fairfield, Norwood, Forest Park, Sheriffville, Monroe, Blue Ash, Trenton, Springdale, Reading, Harrison, North College Hill, Wyoming, Cheviot, Mount Healthy, Deer Park, Lawrenceburg, and Greendale. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 8 and 9. I-74 in Indiana between mile markers 169 and 171. I-74 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 19. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 3 and 28.